So if you guys would like to control your aircon through your phone or through voice commands without using any additional hub or bridge, the Sensibo Sky might just be the best device to turn your not so smart aircon to a smart one. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hola! Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos every single week, and if you're returning as a subscriber, thank you very much for tuning in. Now, since you guys commented earlier this year that you guys wanted to see more smart home type of products in this channel, I decided to get this smart one over here from my recent Singapore trip when I came across it at the airport, as the Sensibo Sky has been on my online shopping wishlist for the longest time, but I never made the purchase. Now, starting from the unboxing, the box comes with a combination of a light blue and white box with all its features at the front and also at the back of the box. Now slide right to open up the box. Then there'll be a tiny hole at the middle to easily open up the front of the flap, and then there's an instructions manual inside of the flap, and of course it'll immediately reveal the Sensibo Sky in a protective plastic. And underneath that there's the power adapter and the micro USB to USB cable. Now, as mentioned earlier, that the Sensibo Sky gives all the smart features to upgrade your current aircon no matter what type of aircon that you have, as long as you have a remote for it. Is there even an aircon without a remote right now? Now, these smart features includes controlling your aircon anywhere around the world as long as you have an internet connection, as this device controls through Wi-Fi. Then there's also other great features like setting up schedules and even the geolocation feature, where you can set the aircon to turn on once you reach within the vicinity of your home, or turn it off once the last person leaves the area. Now, the Sensibo Sky has also a built-in temperature and humidity sensor, which allows you to easily monitor the current temperature of your home or your room, so you can easily choose to turn it on or off if you want to come home to a comfortable temperature. Now, setting up the Sensibo Sky is a breeze, as you don't need to rewire your aircon switch or do any other complicated things to get this to function. Now, first you'll need to power up the device by plugging in the micro USB adapter. Once plugged in, there'll be a blue light on the logo of the device, which will keep blinking constantly. Next, download the Sensibo app, which is available both for Android and iOS devices. Now, upon launching the app, sign up and then select Sensibo Sky in the device list. And then it'll tell you to plug in the power, which you've already done earlier, so you can hit next. Next, scan the QR code at the back of the device. And once scanned, name your aircon, and then you'll need to connect your current Wi-Fi network. Once you have entered your username and password, the device will be connecting to your Wi-Fi network and also update the firmware if needed. Next, the app will then ask you to synchronize your aircon. You will need to take out the aircon remote and just press the power button while pointing the remote near to the device. And then edit the device location name and then hit get started. You will then come to a very nice interface within the app where you can easily control the main features of the aircon, such as turning it on or off. You can then choose the different fan speeds. There's a timer adjustments to turn off the aircon as well. The aircon swing function, the cooling or heating adjustments, and of course the temperature adjustments. And then going further into the settings, there's recent events on the log details on when exactly you turn on or off the aircon. There's the climate react feature for the aircon to react on certain climates. You can also sync the AC power state, and this is just in case the state of the app differs from the aircon currently. You can also reset the remote if you need to and change the name of the aircon. You can switch between Fahrenheit or Celsius, share the AC to another user, firmware settings, and the filter cleaning reminder checkbox. Now, going back to the home screen is where you'll see the temperature and the humidity readings right above. And as mentioned earlier, that the Sensibo Sky allows you to control your aircon through your voice with Google Home and Amazon Echo, where setting up through the Google Home is as per usual, where you will need to add and link your Sensibo account through Home Control, and once all set up, you can do voice commands just like this.
Hey Google, turn on Studio AC.
Okay, turning on the studio AC.
Hey Google, raise temperature to 3 degrees.
You got it, warming up the studio AC.
Hey Google, change temperature to 20 degrees.
Okay, setting the studio AC to 20 degrees.
And of course, you can do the same for the Amazon Echo by adding the Sensibo skill, link the Sensibo account and discover devices through the Amazon Alexa app, and then you can control the similar voice commands.
Alexa, turn on Studio AC.
Sorry, I didn't find Studio AC.
Sometimes.
Alexa, turn on Studio AC.
Okay,
Alexa, raise studio to 3 degrees.
the AC is set to 64.
Now another great feature is of course the IFTTT integration, where you can do further IFTTT recipes such as turning on the aircon if you reach a certain temperature or vice versa, or turning on the aircon when there's motion if you guys have a compatible motion sensor through IFTTT. A quick tip on the placement of the Sensibo Sky, that the right position is said to be below the aircon, where either you can hang it and stick it on the wall with the included double-sided tape at the back of the device. Now in conclusion, the Sensibo Sky is definitely a better option compared to the Nest thermostat. While the Nest thermostat is great and looks aesthetically pleasing, it's certainly more complicated for you guys to set up, requires rewiring, and is way more expensive, and is not compatible in some countries like here in Malaysia. So the Sensibo Sky makes the perfect sense. Now to be completely honest, I did not think that I was going to be impressed with this product, but what really got me was the voice control feature, especially the exact temperature that you want, and of course the IFTTT integration was pretty much amazing too. And as usual, if you guys would like to get yourself one, I will link this item at the description below. So guys, with all these cool features, are you guys planning to get the Sensibo Sky? Do let me know at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to go sub-zero on the like button. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.